Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today's adventure is London. This is our friend who picked us up from the airport. Thank you and big shout out to Jeff and yes.
Totoo, 5 years na.
6 years.
6 years na ba? 2019.
Oo.
Next year. Next year.
Yes, we are in London and first thing we did is take the underground to Westminster and see the famous Big Ben and the Westminster, the Westminster Abbey and the Westminster Palace. And of course, we also saw the London Eye from the distance. Yes, I have seen this. I've been here before, but of course it's different season. Today it's beautiful and sunny, so it's a different feeling, different vibes. It's never get old coming here. It's such an amazing place. The buildings, that was the London Eye. All the beautiful buildings I really adore. So we really soak up the atmosphere in this place because we know we only be here for a day. This time anyway, so we will absorb.
Yes, we
the
are
vibe.
in London. You know, just having a little break, and we'll show you the Ferris wheel. Ferris wheel.
Dapat naghanap ka man kayo.
Arin.
Wala ko rin dapat ako.
After Westminster, we walked towards the Buckingham Palace and watched the changing of the guard. So you can watch it with us to see how it is and what's look like, and just enjoy the video and you see where we've been and what. This is just the sharing and sharing. Kayak makarani pa kita.
Tango they give a discount.
Yeah.
you know, to bite on. Clearly in her mouth.
Donde estuvimos ayer.
La plaza
School Park, el Trafalgar Square. No, Piccadilly Circus, una de las dos.
lahat daw.
Gaya-gaya.
Totoo naman. Ayun, tanong ko dyan. Ang tawag sa amin, New York.
Sabi ko, marinig din magsimba.
Puro madre
Very,
dyan.
very solemn lang.
Catholic yan,
Ay po, tahimik lang dyan.
Puro madre po. ang tawag.
Highborn convents. Yeah.
Once a year, may pito dumanan ng kaming simbahan. Ano?
Rika is saying something. Ano?
Baka yung simbahan masunog.
Okay. Para simba yan.
Yun yun, kasi pinipil. Ay,
Hindi, para simba yan.
dahil na yan minsan.
Ayan, nagsisimba. Ano yung picture yan? Video. Hi! Welcome to our vlog! What's up mga paa? No, mommy! Look, Tita Rika's camera. Ito ko dyan. Yan!
Again.
Yan, nagano na.
Kala. Okay, one more time.
Okay. One more, take 2.
Okay,
Yeah, okay,
I record
nandun na.
no?
Sabi ko na
May action camera ko kaso ayaw kong baka mabingwit.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! Welcome to London namin. What? Hi guys! We're on the bus right now. We're going to Alan's Bakery.
What's your vlog? What is your vlog?
My vlog is Cherise May. You know what I say. No vlog.
No vlog.
No vlog, no vlog.
Mic ko pala eh.
Hi!
Okay.
Ba't di ka nag-hi?
Now we are in London and I'll show you where we are and we're going and where we went. Mapa Filipino Bakery kami, makakaring pandesal sa halo-halo. Daan. Pandesal and halo-halo undamin.
Yeah.
So, we went to London to eat halo-halo.
Yeah. Or halo.
Kay Hugh Grant! Diyan lang yan eh. Yan, Notting Hill. Gusto mo magbaba?
No? No?
That was so quick. No, right? No. Saan sila dinala? Nag-shopping lang kayo? Hindi naman dinala sa Harrods? No, I don't want to go to Harrods. It's too posh. But it's okay po. Kasi if you want po, may friend po ako dumaan may discount. Wala. No, maglalakaw ka pala og dumaan. Ang kay Hugh Grant na bookshop. Mas ano pangalan ng pelikula nila?
Nothing here.
Notting Hill, yun. Doon, papasok
Okay
doon.
lang yan, matanda na si Yung. Hindi ko na siya crush.
Method lang.
Oo nga, tayo nga matanda na din eh.
Kaya, hindi matanda na rin yun.
O baka din na naman naka-on.
Parang nakulim din. Sabi ko ba, una naman yata ng weekend. Nakakatamad maglakad na naon na.
Tayong ang katapat niyan.
Hindi kami papayo.
Ito siya usang payung kasi
Gusto niyo magpunta? No. No. We just want one-on-one.
Yun ang ano, yun ang...
Otherwise, mag-ano ka mo. Double pay.
di ba pwede natin lakarin ng ano dito, yung hotel natin.
Ang hotel niyo, malapit dito.
Malapit.
Talaga? Yeah. Hindi na.
Masaya na kita.
Sana tayo.
Naghanap ng karinderya.
Westfield, London.
Westfield. Saan kita?
Nasa picture kita mga
Mga Ragayanos.
Hi guys! Welcome to Westfield!
Shepherd's Bush! Kasi dalawa po ang Westfield eh.
Oho,
May isa
iba
pa sa
yung
Stratford.
Stratford at dito.
Sa East London.
Wow na mga laki.
Haluan na yan.
Nasa gitna ng mall.
Wow!
Oo, sir. Okay. Kami naman nakakaan din naman kami sa Jollibee.
We're looking for halo and we are really thirsty, hungry and thirsty. We are in Westfield. Mama Sons. Dito ata. I think it's good. Ito? Wow! Ayun na. Halo. Is it this one? Yes.
What should I say? Okay, I'm going to sing. Everybody, you ready? I'm going to sing traditional Filipino song, yeah? But you have to join in, everybody. No, you have more. We're going to sing. Are we ready? Jumbo.
Araw-araw kami halo-halo pagsama.
Mga gaya po ng binibili nyo, nasa yung mga nasa lahat ng bote.
Oh.
Nabili na kami, sumunod na kami yan.
Bibi, dito kasi doon ka dito. This is a below.
That's below. Ano naman to?
Daddy, my friends left Mama Son. Yeah. I asked them, where's Paul and Russell? Oh, they left. Ubi talaga. Kasama pala ninyo sila Arlene. Ice cream.
Kasi nga, pupunta rin kami. Kailangan.
Oo nga eh, sabi mo.
May breakfast. Kami mga malitak na tira.
O yung ano?
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi mo.
Wi-Fi.
Ow.